You all see the views and all. Well, I was here waiting on the rest of people to come so we can get ready to party. What's up, you all? What's up? It's been a while, right? Well, don't worry, your girl is back. Well, kind of. Girl is back, right? You? Yep. Me know say it's been a while, but the girl is back. So right now, on my way to boat ride. Take a trip. Yes, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, press that notification bell so when I post a video, you can get notified. Stay tuned. Yes, and come ride with me. Go girl nice. But I'm about to put on a bathsuit because you know, so when the time get late, so from now, me I go cold and all these things and me a bad sinus. So guys, I'm just going, yeah. Why? So, a nice clean mother. Your mother could never. Peace. You're here waiting on the ride. No long. I get frustrated now. I'm getting really frustrated. But alright, may I wait? So So guys, I haven't put any sound in my video because the sound I did have from my phone it deletes because I did stop post videos, so I delete other things and from my phone to make space and all these things. So just make sure now watch the video and enjoy same way. The sound that I have is a copyright, so I'm not going to use any of those sounds. So just go and watch and enjoy. So guys, the video is not that long because I didn't get enough time to video. There was a lot of music and I don't want to get copyrights on my video. So yeah, you know, some very sexy nice looking girls up on the beach and all these things. Some sexy and some are not that too sexy, but you know they can't do nothing about that. But me I tell you, some nice girl up on the beach, some of them sexy, but not lie. Me a woman and them sexy, oh my god. Anyways, I was here waiting on my rest of people to come for us to go out on the boats and all these things. It was a blast. So guys, me I show you a little piece of what go on. So yep. So guys, this is when we're out on the boat. You can finally see, you can see night dust up. So when you see night dust up, you know say the boats out and the people that me in and everything. And we did there and we are enjoying like self and such and such. Yes, but not tell a lie, me enjoy myself. I did enjoy myself. I did enjoy myself. Me did have a lot of haters on the boat too. Yeah, a lot of haters. Me did see come on the boat and me I tell you nothing could stop me from enjoy myself. The party was an all white party. You know when me know see a all white when me reach because the person will tell about the party. He only tell you the dates and the person keep the party. Yeah, we good up friends. So we say we are go support the friend and all these things. So yeah, but that we go support my friend. It no matter the color me did here. I went with on the boat we here see that the color. Me did I want to go and go change and put some nice clean white. Yes, because you know so good girl can wash and all these things. So yeah, me do want to go put on white. But nevertheless, when me did have on did alright and me go out and me enjoy myself. Nothing could top good girl from enjoy herself. Me I tell a good girl enjoy herself to the fullest. Me at hey, good girl enjoy herself to the fullest. Me I tell you, me not ask Grace. Hey, when I tell me nearly turn over now. when the boat a bounce and good girl almost turn over, good girl have to go sit down, come here to say me did that under my liquor. I did under my liquor. I nah lie. I did under my liquor, but I tell myself, you know what? I not drink it too strong no more because I don't want drunk. You see me? So yeah, I did I enjoy myself, me and my little friend. What's your name? Datsy. Yes, good day. Yeah, we enjoy ourselves. I'm a mother with it out. Archive, big up yourself. Yes, right. So anyway, after that, man, the people in man take a picture, you know, and such. Yes, and everything. And then with the pop champagne. Yeah, I not really like that champagne. Yeah. You know, I drink some of it. And just that's something that's too weak for me. Because you know, good girl don't like champagne, good girl like a rum and our Campari. So I take a shot at the champagne here. And when I take a shot, when I never remember what name. When good girl take a shot at the drink here, good girl say, "What? I don't want no more. I'm going to drink my rum and my Campari. And go and dance up my body and go and enjoy myself." Yes, guys. Right here was at the when we just got on the boat, you know, so nobody not check in yet. And we did early, so we could have we did have time to go and go change. But me say, you know what, I'm about to go and go change. Yes, and that. So just make sure you enjoy yourself and all. Yeah, me, what me I try to say, people don't send me text message or like I'm married, people don't text message and I chat foolish. Just make sure you watch the video and enjoy the video. And next time, see, I'm gonna make sure video everything I'm gonna see. Never get the video much. So I just patch in couple of pieces of video when I did video. So yeah, it was a beautiful views. It was so adventurous. It was so nice. I do enjoy myself. So yeah, that yeah. So guys, make sure don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, press that notification bell so whenever good girl posts a video you can get notified. And warn yourself, good girl they are same way, she just not have enough, she just not get time to make videos and something. But when good girl get time, no worry, maybe when I go tired this is good girl. Maybe when you have to say, Lord God, give me a break, let's go and watch one video in peace. Come I go drop video back up videos. No worry yourself, me they are same way. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. Yeah. And just continue to share the video them, like, comments, turn on the post notification bells. Whenever I post my video them, you can get notified. Yeah, peace.